sweet. So I use this. I have been using it. It is dirty. I use it all the time. I actually, for a palette, put a piece of glass on the top of it. It's actually a metal grate. It does not come like this. This is just mine. I use this for my palette. It's just glass. But I like the different size drawers. I don't like that they are plastic, so the plastic breaks if you put anything too heavy in it. The other thing is, it is metal on metal, and because I move this a lot, as you can see, it wiggles a lot. So I will most likely be replacing, they actually sent some plastic washers, like that was supposed to help. I will tighten it up, but I will most likely find some rubber washers and really tighten it down, and that should solve that problem. Overall,
this is my daughter's snake skin. She has a snake, and it is kind of weird. So this thing is, oh,